Good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're listening to me. So today I want to do a smart tutorial on how to use ChatGPT to create course curriculum. In fact, how to use ChatGPT to do anything at all. So firstly, we want to go over to our browser and we are going to type the name of the website is openai.com. So we are going to click on it, and when we get to OpenAI, then we are going to come over to this place. This place is try ChatGPT. You're going to see it, try ChatGPT. So we are going to click on try ChatGPT. And when we click on try ChatGPT, it comes over to this place. So the next thing we want to do is to because right now I'm trying to create a new course on copywriting, and I need ChatGPT to, even though I have the curriculum in my mind, I need ChatGPT to give me a structured curriculum to create a copywriting course. So what's the name of my course? I asked my alumni student to give me a suggested name. I wanted to name the course Ultimate copywriting for smartphones, viral copywriting mastery for smartphones, smartphone copywriting, or ultimate smartphone copywriting mastery. And most people gave me smartphone copywriting mastery. So I'm going to go over to ChatGPT and write something like intelligently draw out a curriculum, a course curriculum to create this course titled, then you now drop it out. So I've already done my, and I'll just send, and this is just it. You just send. Okay, ChatGPT is having issue. What you just do when it has issue like this, you just copy, then refresh it. So this is the free version of ChatGPT. Then that refresh, you just paste and send again. So this is it. So ChatGPT is already creating a course curriculum for smartphone copywriting. You can see. So this is how to use ChatGPT to create course curriculum for your courses, or to even write anything. All you just need to do is to just ask ChatGPT to do something, to do the things for you. Now, even though this is called smartphone copywriting, and even though ChatGPT will give you all the whole curriculum, as a human, you know what your target audience wants. You can still restructure this curriculum to suit your target audience. Like now, this is what ChatGPT is telling us: introduction to smartphone copywriting, understanding the role of copywriting in blah 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 and all. So this is not basic. How mobile phones, so you can see. So I don't think this curriculum is very basic. So what I'm going to do again is to intelligently draw out a basic course curriculum. So the keyword is basic. So I'm clicking that again, and it's not going. So I'll just copy and so I just copy and slide down again. Now ChatGPT can do anything for you. You just need to give it the right command. So right now we've changed something to basic. So let's see what it does. Now, introduction to understanding the basics of copywriting. Good, you can see. So it's now bringing it down to a basic form. So this is what AI is for. At least we can work with this, because I can see most things that resonate with a beginner copywriter. One of the things you need to do in courses is to make sure your course is tailored down to low level. Anytime you're teaching or anytime you're doing something, just try and be very basic. So this is just like a 5 to 6 minute video telling you how to use ChatGPT to create a course curriculum, and even to do anything. This video is just centered around course curriculum, so I want you to leverage ChatGPT to the fullest to get your results. I hope this makes sense to you. Let me know that it makes sense to you so that I can continue doing amazing stuff in this course.